Bore da pawb a chroeso I sesiwn Ffit and Pimp newydd. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another Ffit in 5 session with Coding Active. Un peth cyn dechrau, one thing before we start, bydd eisiau cael rhyw fath o item. You'll need one item for today's exercises. Dim ots beth yw e, fi'n mynd I defnyddio trainer spa. I'm going to use a spare trainer. Chi'n cofio sgiliau pil-fasged nathon ni nôl hanner tymor. Remember the basketball skills? We're going to do the figure of 8 again. You need a sharp pre-void. So dim ots beth yw e, chi'n bod trainer, llyfr, pushing o'r papur, disgwyl lan a bit of paper scratched up, botel dŵr chi. Doesn't matter what it is, a heblaw, but os chi'n mynd I cwmpo fe, mae fe ffili torri. If you drop it, it won't break. Heblaw ni, dim ots beth yw e. Hosanau mewn pil, a chi'n ni cael towel bach. Dim ots beth yw e, as long as bod e ffili torri os chi'n cwmpo fe. As long as if you drop it, it won't break, okay? So yn munud bach yn mynd I ffindo unrhyw beth allwch chi iwso fel item fel anything you can use for an item. Tra bod ni yn mynd trwy'r rheolau arall. Pawb yn cofio rheolau nawr. Digon o lle, enough space, dillad addas, a botel o dŵr neu diod, and a drinks bottle or a water bottle, okay? Gobeithio bod pawb nôl erbyn nawr. Hope you're all back. Cofiwch dim ots beth yw'r item, bydde pishin o papur yn gweithio. A piece of paper would work. Dim ots beth yw e. Right, ni'n mynd I dechrau twymo lan. Wedyn byddai'n mynd trwyddo pob gweithgaredd. Then I'll go through the exercises that we're doing. A wedyn yn mynd dechrau, and then we'll start. Mae eisiau cloc. Dalwch mlaen. Byddai'n cofio set o'r cloc lan. Dyma fe. Byddai'n cofio'r cloc. Dyma'r cloc. Right. Cloc yn barod. Sorry, yn byty na. Anghofio sy'n byty'r cloc. I forgot about the cloc. Never mind, it's all set up. Right there. Twymo lan, ni'n dechrau jogo ysmotin. We're going to start jogging on the spot. Pawb yn cofio rheolau Steve. Trad off y llaw. Breichiau yn symud. Okay, so arms moving and your feet come off the floor. Those are my rules for jogging on the spot, okay? So chi'n nawr chi'n cyrraedd, chi'n heb misio dim, ni'n dechrau jogo ar ysmotyn. Da iawn chi. Now I'm going to codi'r pyluniau yn uchel. We're going to start lifting our knees a bit higher. Mwy fel march. We're going to do a bit of marching almost. Okay, cadwch o breichiau symud. Keep those arms moving. Da iawn chi. And now you're going to flick our heels down in the back. We're going to flick our heels up at the back. Da iawn. Dim rhaid bod nhw'n twtio yn ôl, just bod nhw'n flico lan. Don't have to touch your bottom. Just that they're going to flick up nice and high. A nôl I jogo ysmotyn. Back to jogging on the spot. Trod nhw'n off y llaw, cofiwch. Da iawn chi. Iawn, ni'n mynd I jogo a ni'n mynd I punches bach. We're going to do some jogging and we're going to do some punches out in front. Palm barrel. 3, 2, 1, go. Dim rhy gyflym. Not too fast. Ni'n mynd I codi y gyflymder lan. We're going to build the speed up. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Speed up. 3, 2, 1. Speed up. 3, 2, 1. Speed up. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Fast. Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Da iawn chi. Cymwch dŵr os mae eisiau. Right. 5 gweithgaredd heddi. Today's 5 exercises. Rhif 1. Rhedeg 2 cam, the 2-step dash. Rhif 2. Ni'n mynd I uso'r item I wneud sharp pre-voith, the figure of 8. Rhif 3. Ni'n bod yn gwneud codi coesau, leg raises. Rhif 4. Falle bod hwnna'n newydd. Taro mor thol, a hammer smash. Na I dangos I chi eisiau dyn ni na, perch becso. Fi'n credu bod hwnna'n newydd. think that's a new one. A rhif 5, ni'n mwyn yn gwneud naid pensil a pencil jump. OK, mae rhifau mynd lan, mae mwy a mwy o pobl yn gwylio. Felly, gweithgaredd rhif 1, chi'n cofio fe? So ni'n mynd dachrau nôl yn bocs bach ni, yn ardal yn our area. Ni'n mynd rhedeg mlaen 2 step, twtio llaw. Rhedeg am nôl 2 step, twtio llaw. Mlaen 2 step, twtio llaw. Nôl 2 step, iawn? So we're going to be running forwards 2 steps, touch the floor. Running backwards 2 steps, touch the floor. Nôl ymlaen, backwards and forwards, tan bod y cloc yn hynny'n mas. Pawb yn hapus. Reit. Cloc yn dechrau. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off yn ni, mlaen yn ni. A nôl, da iawn. Backwards and forwards. Make sure we touch the floor each time. Da iawn chi. Okay, so once find not fast chi'n mynd yn canol, you go as fast or as slow as you want, just not a walk in the middle, okay? Da iawn chi. 2, 1, gorffwys. 15 eiliad, 15 seconds rest. Os chi'n moyn dŵr, nawr y chance. Yr un peth eto. Bach mwy gyflym tro ma, we can speed it up a little bit this time. Okay, 3 eiliad. 2, 1, off yn ni, go! Okay, bach mwy gyflym tro ma. Da iawn chi. Nôl ymlaen, cofiwch bod chi'n cyffwrdd y llaw. Remember, you touch the floor each time. Dros hanner ffordd, 10 eiliad i fynd. Da iawn. 3, 2, 1, a gorffwys, da iawn. Yr un nesa. Sharp prefoedd, cymwch diod os mae moyn e. Mae'r item, you need your item. Agor coesau lan, a plug you up. Okay, open your legs up and bend down. And ni'n mynd i pasio fe, trwyddo coesau. We're going to pass it. So pass through, nôl, round, nôl, round, nôl, round and nôl, okay? Through, back and round. Off on ni. So through, round, through and round, okay? Pasio am nôl, round, pasio am nôl, round. A fel la ni'n cadw fe fynd. Da iawn chi. Okay, so we're passing through the legs, round, back through the legs and round. Trwyddo'r coesau a round. Os dim ots be chi'n defnyddio, you can use anything you want, as long as it doesn't fall, break if it drops. Cymwch eiliad, 10 eiliad y gorffwys, yr un peth eto. Do the same again, now we've had a break. Okay, 5 eiliad. Yr un safle eto, same position. Okay, nôl a round, da iawn, off yn ni. Passing back through your legs and round, da iawn. O, fi'n cwmpo e, os dim os ni'n cwmpo e, codi fe lan, mynd eto. Okay, doesn't matter if you've dropped it like me. Pick it up, go again. How many can you do? Sawl un gallwch chi wneud yn siap 8. 3, 2, 1, a stop fyna. Da iawn, cymrwch diod. Gweithgaredd rhif 3, mae'n symud lawr y llaw. We just go down to the floor. Okay? Pawb yn gwell i gweld fi, odyn. Coesau lan, a ni'n mynd dala coesau lan yn syth. Okay, we're going to hold our legs up as long as we can. Leg raises, okay? 5 eiliad, pawb lawr, everyone down. 3, 2, 1, we're gofio lawr, coesau lan, a ni'n mynd dala nhw fel la. Okay, we're going to hold our legs about there. Okay, da iawn chi, try and keep your legs together. Da iawn. Hanner ffordd, os chi moyn bach yn haws, can you codi coesau lan a little bit easier. We can lift our legs a bit higher. Okay, os chi moyn e bach mwy galed, ni'n mynd dala nhw fan hyn. That's a bit harder. 3, 2, 1, a gorffwys. Da iawn. Chi still lan, cymryd dŵr ymlaen os mae set, some water if you need it. Ond ni'n mynd sefyll allan i'r un peth eto. See if you can hold them lower for longer, okay? Lawr a ni. 3, 2, 1. Off a knee, okay? So see if we can hold them lower instead of higher. So lawr a dala nhw. Can we get even lower? Mwyaf isel, mwyaf galed. Okay? The lower we go, the harder it is. Hanner ffordd. Os ni set top head, we need a break. We can lift up. Whew. Break. A wedyn, allan ni mynd nôl a we can go back down instead of putting our feet on the floor. 5 eiliad. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn chi. Lan a chi. Up we get. Cymrwch di o blaen. Reit, gweithgaredd newydd. Taro mwrthwr. Hammer smash. Ni'n mynd i esgus bod mwrthwr môr gyda ni. Big hammer. Ni'n mynd i smasho fe lawr. Neidio o gwmpas. Smasho fe lawr. Okay? We've got to pretend we've got a big hammer. Smash it down. We jump. Turn around. And smash again. Okay? Pawb yn barod. 5 eiliad. 3, 2, 1. So dala mwrthwr uwch ben y pen. Above our head. Smash. Neidio. Smash. Neidio. Da iawn. Smash. Neidio. Okay? So big hammer. Full power. And jump. Sa'i said gweld un bach, not little ones. Full power. Neidio. Full power. Da iawn. You saw pŵer I gyd. A wedyn neidio. 3, 2, 1. A cymrwch break. Now ni'n gwybod beth ni'n neud. We know what we're doing now. Okay, so when you swing on mortho, when we're swinging the hammer, full power, okay? We said got the pŵer I gyd. Okay, 3 eiliad, ni'n barod. Dala mortho. Off a ni, full swing. Neidio. Swing. Da iawn. Cofiwch bod ni'n neidio nôl ymlaen hefyd. Remember, we keep that jump in as well. Da iawn chi. Hanner ffordd. Let's try to dal and use up pŵer. Grab on third. Last couple of swings. Big power. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn. Cymwch dŵr ymlaen ma' hwnna yn gweithgaredd mowr. Reit, na I pensil I goffen. The pencil jump. Pawb yn cofio sut I wneud e. Calon fi. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 9. Mynd lan. Ni'n gofio yn flat. We're gonna lie flat. Ni'n codi lan. Brech e lawr. Neidio fy pencil. Okay, gonna lie flat. Jump up. Off a knee. Up. Hands down the side. Straight jump. No lawr. Lan. Good. Lawr. Lan. Cofiwch bod ni'n neidio fel pencil pryd ni lan. Remember, we keep that pencil jump in. Da iawn chi. Neidio. A lawr. A lan. Neidio. Neidio la. Cymrwch tochiad. Take a break. Un o hyn eto. Same thing again. 10 eiliad. Lawr hynny. Lawr hynny i'r llawr. Down we go. Last one. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Go. Lan hynny. Neidio. Lawr. Da iawn. Lan. Neidio. Lawr. Up. Jump. Down. Da iawn. Up. Jump. Down. Da iawn chi. 10 eiliad I fynd. Lawr. Lan. Neidio. Neidio la. 3 eiliad. Last one. 3, 2, 1. Da iawn chi. Oh. Calon yn codi. 1-5 dim. 1-5-1. 1-5-2. Calon yn codi. Ni wedi gweithio'n galed yna. Cofiwch diod. Remember your drink. Right, ni'n mynd i anadl di nôl. Now I'm going to get our breath back now. Gobeithio. 1-5-9. Mae fi dal yn mynd lan. Bo chi'n gweithio mewn galed y fi heddi. Fi'n teimlo yn dda na. I feel good. Hard work bore yma. Gwaith galed. Dachrau cwmpo nawr. Heart is starting to fall now. So ni'n mynd i cerdded rownd blwch bach. Ni'n walk around on in the space. Okay? Bwysig bod ni'n cadw I ardal ni. Important we keep to our own space. Just cerdded round ochr lle ni. Gwydwn ni 5 laps. Na 2. Hiccups to me, sorry. A bit dŵr hyd loi. Drank my water too quick and now I've got some hiccups. Okay, na 3 lap, da iawn. 4 lap. Cofiwch fan hyn ni'n anadlu, mewn trwy'r trwyn. Master cake. We're breathing in through our nose, last lap. And out through our mouth. Helping ni dechrau arafu popeth lawr. We're going to start slowing our heart rate down, our blood flow, slows everything down, our breathing slows it nice down. Okay, ni'n mynd i dechrau mestyn, we're going to start our stretches. Ni'n dechrau lan top, chi'n cofio yno? Ni'n stretcho gwddwg un ochr, a dala fel e. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to take our neck to the other shoulder. Don't bring your shoulder up. Take your neck down and hold. 3, 2, 1, lan yn ni. And now ni'n mynd i rhoi gen ni, our chin, into our chest, fel bod ni'n edrych y llawr. Ond, dyn ni ddim yn plygu mlaen, dim ond gwddw pwys i symud. Only my neck moves. I don't lean forward. 3, 2, 1, a lan yn ni. Da iawn. Lawr i breichau, down to the arms. Breichau mas. Wedyn fel nid y blaen, bod ni'n rhoi cwtch, giving ourselves a cwtch. Okay? Ni'n rapo breichau o gwmpas. Dalwch fyna. Hold your arms if you're giving yourself a cwtch. 3, 2, 1. Cofiwch bod ni'n siglo bant ar ôl ymestyn. We shake after stretching. Lawr i'r bola. Okay? Breichau mas. A ni'n twisto un ochr. Twist one way a dalwch fyna. 3, 2, 1. I'm going to go the other way. Hold there. 3, 2, 1. Lan yn ni, da iawn. Lawr i'r coesau nawr. Mi dala un cwrs tu ôl. We're going to pick one leg up. Hold it behind. Chi'n moyn balance. Triwch y trick o dal y clust. Neu eich pwyso ar ben desg neu wal. Neu beth bynnag sydd ar bwys chi, okay? 3, 2, 1. Ni'n siglo off. Switch your course there. Okay, switch your legs. Hold it up. Remember the ear trick. Keep your balance. Or you can lean on something nearby, a desk or a wall. 3, 2, 1. Siglo coesau off. Da iawn chi. Na sesiwn Ffit yn 5 wedi cwblhau eto. Another session complete. Bydd Rhydian, fi'n credu, ymlaen fory. I think it's Rhydian tomorrow. So my session mynd I bod anyway. There's definitely going to be a session. I think it's Rhydian. Hanner awr di naw. Cofiwch, os chi'n gwylio ar Facebook neu tudalen YouTube, bod chi'n gwasgu'r thumbs up. Please hit the thumbs up. No matter where you're watching, either YouTube or Facebook, because it lets us know how many people are watching and how many people have enjoyed the session. Iawn? A bydd hwn yn cael I dalwyth o ben Microsoft Teams. This will be uploaded to Microsoft Teams as well. So diolch yn fawr am ymuno. Thank you for joining. Gobeithio bod pawb wedi mwynhau. A gobeithio bod chi'n barod am y dydd. I hope you've all had a good bit of exercise and you're ready for the day. Thank you very much and we'll see you soon. Hwyl!